When using the self-clean cycle, the door will automatically lock. During the self-clean cycle, the oven gets extremely hot and will reach a temperature of about 900 degrees Fahrenheit, which will burn off grease spills, dirt, and debris. The door will stay locked anywhere from 1 to 2 hours after the self-clean cycle finishes. The door will continue to stay locked until the range has cooled down to a safe temperature of below 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oven has cooled, the door lock icon will turn off and you will be able to open the oven door. To find the right part for this and other do-it-yourself repairs, visit SearsPartsDirect.com or call Sears PartsDirect toll-free at 1-888-206-3622.